Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 23rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, as you probably know already, we likely do have the end of a correction right here, probably the end of a WXY. If it really is the end of a WXY, it is going to keep on going up and probably make new highs. Now, there is a possibility the correction will stretch out on higher time frames, but one thing that I really think is most important is the monthly time frame is up, the weekly time frame is up, the daily time frame is up. That means that your primary goal definitely should be still looking for longs. Now, we definitely do have a break of this trend right here because we had higher highs, higher lows. Now we're getting lower highs. So more than likely we are in a correction to the last move up. More than likely, a correction is going to go usually at least to the 38%, all the way possibly to the 78%. So what I'm doing now is I'm waiting for a three-wave recognizable pullback, maybe something like this, down to a fib level. I mean, I think the 50% looks like a likely area, maybe even the 61%. So if I get some sort of a three-wave pullback, some sort of an engulfing move to the upside, that is definitely the next trade that I'm looking for, especially because the monthly, weekly, and daily time frames are all in a uptrend. And as usual, the trend is definitely your friend. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to take a look at my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner and my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you for watching and happy trading.